welcome to Maryah Vista in Abu Dhabi. At present, this is the only residential building on the island, ideally situated next to the Galleria Mall, Abu Dhabi Global Markets and Cleveland Clinic. This prime location offers unparalleled convenience and accessibility to all. The unit boasts exceptional views of the surrounding canals and the stunning Abu Dhabi skyline. Residents of the building also enjoy access to a well-equipped gym and swimming pool, perfect for relaxation and fitness. Currently undergoing final snagging repairs, the unit will soon be delivered fully furnished, ensuring a seamless move-in experience. To schedule a viewing or for more information, please contact us using the details provided in the description.